Well, for years, working in America, it represented success for many Indian tech professionals, right? Better salaries, better work life balance, cleaner system, more professional environment. But now, as layoffs rise and visa uncertainty grows, many Indians are asking themselves a very difficult question. What if we have to return home? And surprisingly, many are deeply conflicted about the answer here. Ladies and gentlemen, a growing number of Indian professionals working in the US, they say they admire India's booming startup ecosystem and India's fast growing economy. Countries like Flipkart, Zoho, Zomato, India's expanding AI ecosystem, they are creating excited opportunity. But many workers also fear returning to what they described as toxic work culture, extreme hierarchy, long working hours, burnout, and constant workplace pressure. In the meantime, one Indian professional based in Seattle, he described American work culture as no nonsense. Finish your work and leave. No pressure to stay late simply because your boss is still in the office. Another worker also returned to India after years in the US. He said that the intense, timeline driven grind, well, it immediately returned after coming back home. Now, this particular debate, it matters because India wants to become a global technology superpower. The country is producing world-class founders, engineers, AI startups, and digital infrastructure. But retaining global talent, it requires more than growth. It also requires sustainable work environment. Now, many Indian tech workers, they today admire India's innovation story, but they fear losing personal freedom, work-life balance, and mental health stability if they return permanently. Several say that American workplaces often prioritize direct communication and efficiency, while Indian corporate system can remain deeply hierarchy driven. And you know what? Here's the bigger problem. Many H-1B workers, they may not always have a choice if layoff forces, right? Losing a job in America, it can trigger visa pressure very quickly. That means thousands of Indian professionals are now living with a backup plan constantly in their mind. So tonight, the emotional reality for many Indian tech workers, that's complicated. America feels uncertain, but returning home does not always feel simple either. They are caught between two worlds, one becoming economically unstable and another one still struggling with workplace cultural problems. But even as workers worry about layoffs and burnout, India itself is becoming the center of one of the world's biggest AI expansion, and